Meaning of discouragement.
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 Discouragement. Discouragement refers to the feeling of losing hope or confidence in oneself, a situation, or an outcome. It can result in a lack of motivation, persistence, and productivity. When a person feels discouraged, they may experience negative thoughts and emotions, such as sadness, frustration, and helplessness. In turn, this can lead to decreased performance and achievement. It is important to recognize and address feelings of discouragement in order to maintain a positive mindset and achieve desired goals.